Welcome back to another tutorial for the Invincible VS game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Invincible VS on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings page, you will need to go into the Game option, where you will find the Controls menu. Click on Modify, and now you will see the controls that have been assigned. You can change within the control mode from Standard or Motion. The Motion mode will give you a few more options compared to the Standard mode. In order to change your settings, click on Rebind Controls, and now you can change your controls based on your desire. Go over to the button that you want to reassign, and then press your desired button that you wish to set. As soon as you press your button, it will be assigned right away. Once you are done rebinding your keys, press the Escape button to go back, and then press Yes in order to save your changes. Now you can click on Test Controls in order to test your buttons that you have just set. Once you are satisfied, you can go back and your settings will be saved. After this, you can play your game with your customized controls right away. And you may come back into the settings, go into the gameplay, and click on Modify to change them at any point of time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Invincible VS game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.